When you receive the machine, first, connect the 220-volt power supply. Then connect the driven air. And then, this is the power switch. Turn on power. This is the PLC control interface. The steel plate we tested has a thickness of 0.7. So the riveting pressure is set to 3 tons. And this is the count button. Clear to 0 after clicking. The equipment will record the number of riveting times. Then here is the switch between working mode, jog mode and long motion mode. Now we choose jog mode. Let's first use a foot switch to control. Then select the long motion mode. Long action mode means that it will automatically pop up when the pressure reaches. This button toggles the foot switch and the manual switch. On the right is the selection of the foot switch. On the left is the selection of the manual switch. Let me demonstrate. If you want to replace the mold, loosen the screw with a wrench. Loosen the screws on both sides. The screws below can be directly loosened. Then remove the mold and replace it with another set of molds. This is how the equipment operates. Thank you.